Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to view the Smart Billing statement. Log into your Smart Billing account or platform. This could be through a website or a mobile app provided by your service provider. Look for a section labeled Billing, Billing Statement, Account Overview, or something similar. This is where you will find information about your billing and statements. Within the Billing or Account Overview section, choose the statement period you want to view. For 2024, select the relevant month or billing cycle. Once you have selected the statement period, you should see your Smart Billing statement displayed on the screen. Review the details such as charges, payments, due dates, and any other relevant information. You may have the option to download the statement as a PDF or save it for your records. Depending on your service provider and the features of their Smart Billing platform, you may also be able to view detailed breakdowns of charges, usage data, and billing history. If you need to make a payment based on the statement, the Smart Billing platform should provide information on payment methods and due dates. If you want to keep a copy of your Smart Billing statements for your records, consider saving it to your device or printing a hard copy. If you have questions about the information on your Smart Billing statement or need assistance with any billing-related issues, contact your service provider's customer support for help. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel.